Let's talk about learning English and some of the things that you should completely avoid when trying to learn the English language. Now, learning a language is often said to be easy if you are a child or very much young, but it becomes more challenging as we get older. But is that really the case? Well, in today's video, I will be discussing some of the 7 things, or rather the top 7 things that you should avoid while learning the English language. Let's start learning. Alright, so the first thing that is there on top of my list is avoid listening to people who say learning English is difficult. Yes, that's right. Whenever we are setting our path on to achieving something, there will be a lot of negative forces trying to stop us from doing it. Now, please bear in mind this one simple thing. English is spoken all over the world. As a matter of fact, it is one of the most preferred languages. Well, that also means that a lot of people actually have achieved that feat of learning to speak in English. So what you have to know is even you can do it. Keep up that level of motivation and break up your learning process of the English language into small little manageable steps. And with that, even you can eventually achieve that particular goal of speaking fluently in English. The second thing is, please do not be ashamed to speak. Well, that's right. There is only one way to learn how to speak English, and that is to open your mouth and speak English. That's it. Okay? Now, if you always have that thought that, I don't want to speak English, but I know English, well, you're not going to be able to speak English. Go ahead, face your fear. It's okay to just get, to be a laughing stock sometimes, but you have to speak English. Unless you speak, you will not be able to learn anything. So make sure that you are giving yourself enough practice to speaking the language. Don't be worried about how bad you are or how bad you can get. Just feel free, be confident, and speak out the language. The third thing that you can do is take English outside your classroom. Now, most of you might be actually learning English maybe in some class or on YouTube like this one. But you have to take it outside that as well. You have to take it outside the door. Which means to say, whatever you learn in any of these classes, be it with regard to this YouTube channel or through any spoken English classes, take it out. Go and apply those concepts with someone else, because that is the only way to register that language in your brain. I've seen a lot of people who speak good English inside, their English classroom, but the moment they step outside the classroom, they just want to go back to their native language. And that is something that you should avoid. Keep English as a part of your life. The fourth one is, do not be afraid to make mistakes. That's right. You see, we are all human and we are all bound to make mistakes. Nobody is perfect. Now, grammar is one thing which everyone struggles with. But let me tell you, that is the last thing that you should be worried about when you are learning the language. Okay? You do not need to have perfect grammar in order to communicate with someone in English. Remember, just speak clearly and confidently. You don't have to worry about the grammar, at least at the starting stage. Later on, as you progress with the language, then you can start learning about the grammar. Hey, if you are getting some value out of this video, then all you have to do is make sure to hit that like button and let us know. The fifth one is stop negative self-talk. Having a negative attitude doesn't help in anything, even in the learning of English language. It just makes it worse. Try to turn these negative things into something positive. Like, say for example, if you make a mistake, the negative way of saying it is, oh, I'm never gonna get better at this. Instead of that, you should say, hey, I'm gonna keep trying and I'm sure I will get better someday. That is some positivity. Remember, positivity helps you to learn much quicker. The next thing is, don't take it personally when people say, hey, I can't understand what you are saying. You see, at some point in your English learning process, you have to speak to someone, right? And sometimes it can be a bit hard for that person to understand. Remember, that is not your problem. It is, you see, everyone has a different level of understanding the English language. Maybe if your level is a bit low, you can up that level after some time. Or if your level is a bit high, then you can reduce your level. It just depends on the person whom you're talking to. Maybe they are exposed to a lot of different accents, sometimes they are not. So if someone says, hey, I can't understand that, don't take it personally, just repeat yourself and that should be fine. Before we jump on to the last point, hey, we would love to have you on our YouTube community, and for that all you have to do is subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever we drop a new video. The last thing that you should be careful about is, please do not compare yourself to other English speakers. That's right, no matter what level your English is at, you had to work hard to bring it up to that particular level, right? Absolutely. Now, everyone is practicing, just like how you have practiced, someone else has also practiced. You might have started a few days back and someone else might have started a few months back. So everyone's level is different. Don't think that, oh, I'm never going to get as good as him, or even he's practicing English, but I can't get as good as that person. No, you don't have to worry about that. As a matter of fact, that should be something that should motivate you. If you are around people who are better than you in the English language, then automatically that will force you to also improve your game or improve your preparation. So don't compare yourself and don't get demotivated. Just go ahead and speak your heart out. Let me know in the comment section where you are struggling with the English language, and I can even give you some tips as to how to improve. If you are serious about learning English or any of the English language exams, then please log on to our website and check out some of the packages that we have, and feel free to sign up with us. You can also get in touch with me personally by filling out the contact form that is there in the comment section below. I've pinned it on the topmost comment. Fill in your details and I will personally get in touch with you. Check out some of our other videos that will be popping up and learn something new. Till we meet again, this is your tutor, Noel, wishing you a fantastic day ahead. Ciao.